Welcome to episode 20 of 100 Days of Data. I'm Jonas, an AI professor here to explore the foundations of data in AI with you.
And I, Amy, an AI consultant, excited to bring these concepts to life with stories and practical insights. Glad you're joining us.
The cloud made analytics scale for everyone.
It's hard to overstate how much that simple idea has changed the game. Suddenly, businesses of all sizes can handle mountains of data without breaking the bank.
So let's start by setting the stage. When we talk about cloud and data platforms, what exactly do we mean? Simply put, these are cloud-based services and infrastructure that allow storing, managing, and analyzing data at any scale.
Right, and I always tell folks to think of it like renting a fully equipped kitchen versus building your own from scratch. You don't have to invest tons up front to start cooking gourmet meals, or in this case, run advanced analytics.
Great analogy, Amy. This shift to the cloud means businesses no longer need massive physical servers on site. Platforms like Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform provide virtually unlimited storage and computing power on demand.
Exactly, and each of those giants offers a suite of tools. AWS has things like Redshift for data warehousing, while Azure offers Synapse Analytics, and Google's got BigQuery. They all make handling huge data sets easier, but each has its own flavor and strengths.
Historically, managing data required buying servers, setting up databases, and building pipelines, all costly and time-consuming. The cloud democratized access. Any company, from startups to Fortune 500s, can scale their data capabilities with just a credit card and some know-how.
I've seen that firsthand. A mid-sized retailer I work with was drowning in spreadsheets and legacy tools. Moving to a cloud data platform gave them real-time sales dashboards and personalized customer insights without hiring a huge IT team.
That's the essence of scalability. Cloud platforms elastically adjust resources based on demand. During peak periods like holiday shopping spikes, companies can instantly expand storage and compute.
And then scale back down afterward, so they only pay for what they use. That's a big financial win. Before cloud, it was either buy too much hardware sitting idle or risk crashing when demand surged.
Another key point is integration. Cloud data platforms often provide seamless ways to connect different data sources, customer data, operational systems, social media feeds, into one place for analysis.
Which feeds better decision-making. One automotive client integrated sensor data from vehicles with repair records in the cloud. That combo helped predict maintenance issues before they happened, saving time and money.
Brilliant example. From a theory perspective, these platforms underpin advanced AI and machine learning models. Models need vast, well-organized datasets to learn effectively. Cloud platforms help gather and pre-process those datasets efficiently.
True, and the cloud isn't just about storage or raw computing. It's also about tools. Most platforms offer managed AI services, pre-built models, easy-to-use APIs, AutoML, all of which make it easier for businesses to experiment and innovate.
Indeed, that's a paradigm shift. Previously, deploying AI required specialized infrastructure and expertise. Now companies can test models on cloud platforms without heavy upfront investments.
Though I'll add, cloud doesn't eliminate challenges completely. Data security, compliance, and governance still need serious attention, especially in regulated industries like healthcare and finance.
Very true. The shared responsibility model means cloud providers handle the infrastructure security, but the business must manage data access and policy enforcement.
And that's where proper data governance frameworks come in, defining who can access what, ensuring data quality and compliance with GDPR or HIPAA.
Let's also touch on multi-cloud and hybrid strategies. While AWS, Azure, and GCP are dominating, some businesses use multiple clouds or combine on-premises data centers with cloud resources.
I love multi-cloud when done right. It's like diversifying your investments, avoiding lock-in to a single vendor, and picking best-of-breed services. But it adds complexity, no doubt.
Complexity is a good word here. Managing data consistency, latency, and governance across environments requires mature strategies and tooling.
On the practical side, I've seen clients start small, like moving a single data warehouse, then gradually bring more workloads to the cloud as confidence and skills grow.
That incremental approach mitigates risks and builds organizational buy-in. Also, starting with cloud-native analytics tools means less overhead than trying to lift and shift legacy systems.
Yes, and cloud platforms often embed collaboration features too. Analysts, data scientists, and business users can work from the same datasets and dashboards in real time.
Which fosters what we call a data-driven culture, critical for AI success. Technology alone can't deliver impact unless people throughout the organization embrace data in decision-making.
Speaking of impact, here's a quick story. A large bank leveraged cloud data platforms to combine customer transaction data with external market info to detect fraud faster. The move cut fraud losses by millions within a year.
That example perfectly illustrates how cloud scalability and integration expand what's possible with data analytics.
And it's not just finance. Retailers use cloud analytics to optimize inventory dynamically. Manufacturers monitor equipment through IoT sensors in the cloud to predict failures and avoid downtime.
All of these scenarios hinge on the ability to store, process, and analyze large volumes of data flexibly and reliably, which cloud platforms provide.
Before we wrap up, let's touch on cost. One common misconception is that cloud means unlimited spending. It really boils down to smart management, right-sizing resources, monitoring usage, and optimizing queries.
Absolutely. Cloud platforms offer powerful tools to track costs and performance. Without governance, you could easily rack up surprise bills.
I always recommend companies build a cost control mindset early on, assign budgets, use alerts, and educate teams on cost-efficient practices.
To sum it up, the cloud has transformed data analytics by making it scalable, accessible, and integrated. It powers the AI revolution by providing the foundation for data-driven intelligence.
And in the real world, it means companies can innovate faster, serve customers better, and react quicker to market changes, all without huge upfront investments.
Key takeaway: cloud data platforms scale analytics for businesses of all sizes, unlocking opportunities that were once reserved for big players.
And it's not magic. Understanding how the cloud works and applying best practices can turn data into real business value.
Next episode, we'll dive into the big question: what is AI? We'll unpack what artificial intelligence really means and why it matters to your business.
If you're enjoying this, please like or rate us 5 stars in your podcast app. Leave comments or questions. We might feature them in upcoming episodes. Until tomorrow, stay curious, stay data-driven.